Making money with Zapier involves leveraging its automation capabilities to offer valuable services to businesses. Here's how you can monetize using Zapier. Consulting services. Offer consulting services to businesses looking to streamline their workflows and automate repetitive tasks using Zapier. Provide expertise in setting up and optimizing automations tailored to their specific needs. Custom integration services. Specialize in creating custom integrations between different apps and services using Zapier. Businesses often require unique workflows that can be automated through tailored Zapier setups. Automation audits. Conduct automation audits for businesses already using Zapier to identify inefficiencies or areas for improvement. Offer recommendations and implement optimizations to enhance their automation processes. Training and workshops. Provide training sessions or workshops on how to effectively use Zapier. Educate clients on setting up automations, integrating apps, and maximizing productivity with Zapier. Zap templates. Create and sell pre-built Zap templates for specific industries or common use cases. Offer these templates on platforms like the Zapier app directory or your own website. Managed services. Offer ongoing management of Zapier automations for businesses. Monitor performance, troubleshoot issues, and update automations as needed to ensure they run smoothly. Affiliate marketing. Promote Zapier's services and earn commissions through their affiliate program. Recommend Zapier to your audience and earn a percentage of sales generated through your referral links.